Good morning, Sarah. I wanted to touch base regarding Mrs. Davies in room 410. Her recovery from the hip fracture has been progressing, but we're encountering some challenges with her nutritional intake.
Morning, Mihira. Yes, I saw her chart. She's been on a high-protein diet since admission, primarily to aid tissue repair. Are we seeing issues with compliance or absorption?
Initially, it was a palatability issue. She found the supplements quite chalky. We've managed to switch to a more palatable liquid formulation, and that's improved her compliance significantly. However, she's now complaining of persistent nausea, especially after consuming the larger protein portions. We've tried spacing out her meals more, but the nausea persists. Interestingly, she also mentioned a metallic taste, which I initially linked to a new iron supplement, but that's since been discontinued. Her blood work last week showed good albumin levels, so malabsorption isn't our primary concern. The main issue now is her aversion to fats. She's pushing away anything with even a moderate fat content, and this is severely impacting her overall caloric intake, hindering her progress. We're losing the battle on calorie density.
I see. So Mihira, despite the protein compliance, the fat aversion is the significant barrier. That certainly complicates achieving adequate energy for recovery.
Precisely. She's losing weight, not gaining. Her muscle mass is barely holding, which is paramount for her rehabilitation.
Mihira, I know even thinking about any kind of surgery can feel a bit unsettling, so let's just talk through this gently. A septoplasty is a very common day procedure, which actually brings a lot of comfort because it means you come to the hospital in the morning and go home that same day to recover in your own space. It's designed to correct a deviated nasal septum, which is simply the wall inside your nose that divides it into two nostrils, but it has shifted too much to one side. The goal here isn't to change the way your nose looks on the outside, but to open up the pathways on the inside so air can flow more freely. The potential benefits can be truly life-changing in a quiet, daily way. Mihira, the most immediate one is simply breathing easier, which is something we often don't realize we're struggling with until it's fixed. With better airflow, many people find their sleep quality improves significantly because the body isn't fighting for every breath at night, and this can naturally soften loud snoring too. You might also notice fewer nosebleeds, as the straightened septum is less prone to drying out and cracking from turbulent air. It's about giving you that effortless, clear breath we all deserve.